Students, we are continuing with the chapter perimeter and area of rectangle, and let's start with question number 11. Means we have completed up to question number 10 in the previous video. So coming to question number 11, in this particular question it is said that the cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence all around at a rate of 15 per meter is 5400 rupees. So find the length of the, sorry, if the length of the garden is 100 meter, find the area of the garden. We need to find the area of the garden. So first of all, what it is given, okay, so cost of fencing, okay, so we have got over here that the cost of enclosing or cost of fencing, that is 5400 rupees rate, okay, rate of fencing, and that particular is given rupees 15 per meter, okay. So rupees 15 per meter it is given, and the length of the garden it is given, length equals to 100 meter. So we are having one garden, okay, in this particular form, and this particular length is 100, and we are fencing the boundary. This complete boundary is being fenced, okay, and the total cost is given 5400 rupees. So from here we will get the perimeter over here, okay. So in order to find the perimeter, okay, so perimeter, so perimeter of garden or perimeter, that we will get that cost of fencing divided by rate of fencing, okay. So 5400 divided by 15. So when we will divide this, then we will get 360. Okay. So we have got that a perimeter, that is equals to. So this will be in meter. Perimeter equals to 360 meter. So we are having over here the length we are having, okay, and we need to find the breadth first. Okay. So perimeter, I am denoting perimeter equals to P. 2 into length plus breadth we write. Clear with this? So we can write it like this, length plus breadth, that is equals to 360 divided by 2. So length we are having, breadth equals to 180. When we will divide, then 180 subtracted with 100. So 80 meter, we will get that breadth over here, that is 80 meter. So for finding the area, this particular is 80 meter, and this was 100. So area equals to length into breadth. So 100 is multiplied with 80. So we will get 8000 meter square. So this particular is the answer. In this order we need to solve the question. Coming to the next question, question number 17, bit A. Okay. So in this particular question it is given that find the perimeter and area on the given figure. So given below that all the corners are right angle. Means here it is one thing, one condition it is given that wherever we are having the corners, that all the corners are right angle. So first of all, coming to find the perimeter, okay. So in order to find the perimeter, we all know that the perimeter is the total length, okay, of the boundary. So this is 4 and this is 2. So further we can construct it like this also. We can put it like this. So 4 plus 2, that will be 6 meter. So this particular length we are having 6 meter over here, and coming to this particular length, 4 plus 1.5, okay, so that will be 5.5. so this particular is the, so coming to find the perimeter, okay, meter. So perimeter is equals to total length of the boundaries. So first of all, what are the lengths we are going to see over here? We will add all the 2 meter plus 4 meter plus 4 meter plus 1.5 plus 6 plus 5.5. So these are the lengths. We need to add this all the lengths, okay. So 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 6, okay, so total length, that is equals to 23 meter. This is the perimeter over here, okay. After that, coming to area. So area, little bit we need to think over here. If suppose we are finding that area of this part, I am adding this and making this as a rectangle. So this particular is 2 meter, then this particular length will be also 2 meter. We are converting in the rectangle, okay. And 5.5 is the height of this or width of this particular. So we will find the area of this. So when we are finding the area, 2 is multiplied with 5.5. So 11 meter square is the area of this particular figure. Now coming to this particular rectangle, here this is 4 meter and this is 1.5. So length is 4 meter, breadth is 1.5. Just like that we will calculate. So when we will multiply this, then we will get 6 meter square. So this is the area. So the total area, what we will do in order to find the area of this, we will find the areas individually, and after that we will add 11 meter square plus 6 meter square. So that is equals to 17 meter square. So this was the area of this particular. Coming to the next question. So students, coming to the next question, that is question number 18. In this question it is given that the length and the breadth of a rectangle is 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 9 centimeter and whose area is 1/3 that of rectangle. So first of all, we are having one rectangle over here. Okay, this is 12 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So this is question number 18. So if we are finding the area of the rectangle, first of all we need to find the area. Okay, area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, that is equals to what? Length into breadth. What is the length? Length equals to 12 into breadth, that is equals to 9. So further what we will do, we will multiply this. So that is equals to 108 centimeter square. This particular is the area. We have got that area over here. So the first part we have completed. Second part, we need to find the height of the triangle whose base it is given 9 and whose area is 1/3. Okay. So we are having one. I am drawing one triangle in this particular only. So if suppose the triangle is like this. Okay. So the base of the triangle is this and this particular is the height h. Clear with this? So we need to find, and this particular is 1/3 of this particular. So this particular is 2/3 and this is 1/3. Okay, 1/3 part and this is 2/3 part. So what we need to do, area of triangle equals to how much? 1/3 area of rectangle. Okay, area of triangle is 1/3 the area of rectangle. So first of all, what is area of triangle? Okay, area of triangle I am writing like this. Okay, triangle. So 1/3 into 108. So 1/3 of 108 we need to calculate over here. Okay, so when we are calculating this, so how to calculate this one? Means we will calculate it. So when we are dividing this one, okay, we will divide this one. So just dividing, this will come 3, and after that so it will come 36. Okay, so we have got that area of the triangle, that is equals to 36 meter square. So area of triangle we have got 36 meter square. After that, what is the area of triangle actual? 36 meter square, that is equals to half into base into height. Okay, we are taking that base, what it is given, base it was given 9 and height it is given h. We are taking h. So 36 meter square. Okay, h equals to, when we will calculate for h, so here we will get 4 is multiplied, h equals to 8. Okay, so 8 centimeter is the height of this particular. Okay, it was in centimeter. So 8 centimeter is the height of this particular triangle, which was 1/3 of that. So after this, what you all have to do, you have to solve up to all the question which is coming from between 11 to 20, and also do not forget to solve the examples. You all have to solve the examples also. And after that, we will, in the next video, I will provide you some idea about question number 11 to 30, and similarly we will complete this exercise by this going on.
एक मिनट सुनिए, आप थोड़ा सा बोलिएगा ना, 10 मिनट पार हो जाएगा, समझे ना? तो वीडियो में लगेगा 10 मिनट है, आधे बोलिए। कहाँ से कहाँ तक रुके थे आप?
बोल देंगे। So
वीडियो बोल रहे थे कुछ ना?
We will provide with the another video, and in that particular we will deal with few more questions. So in this order, in this particular chapter, you need to solve maximum number of questions. Okay, that's why means first basic thing is that you need to solve the examples. After completing the example, you come to the exercise question. Otherwise, if you will directly solve the exercise question, then you may stuck in the questions. That's why I suggest you all to solve the example first. After that, you start with the exercise, and so continue with this particular video, and means complete this video, means watch the videos completely, and after that solve the question up to question number 20. Okay, thank you.